this is Kunal here, one of the founders of Just Fence. So we are quite possibly one of the only companies in India that does only fencing and partitions. So if you take any property, the first thing that you need to secure is the boundary. So we have a lot of solutions around it. Apart from that, if you take, you have internal partitions, which is needed in the garden areas, in terrace areas, sometimes between two rooms you need a partition. So we specialize in this. So we have almost 35 to 40 different types of materials available and on a variety of base material. For example, right from SS, aluminium, GI, MS, WPC, FRP, bamboo. So you name it, we have it. And we particularly cater to a lot of architects, interior designers, pretty much any construction that is going to happen, you would find that our products are in need. And architects particularly love working with us because it's very difficult to get a vendor for fencing. Because there are very few companies in this space, and many times it seems like a headache for a small thing. Where do I catch someone? And we are the only organized player in the whole of India. So the entire fencing gets done in a very hassle-free manner. So you can just sit back and relax. A professional team comes in and takes care of everything. So we are a company that is headquartered in Bangalore, and we have offices in 9 other cities. Hyderabad is one of our main cities where we are present in. Our office is in Nacharam in Hyderabad. And our experience center is near Kompally in a place called as Devra Yamjal, very close to the Alankrita resort. So please drop into our experience center. Here we have just put few products, just about 10 or 12 products we have put here. But in our experience center, you can almost see our entire range, and you will really be fascinated to see that so much is possible in something what we take as granted as fencing. So please visit us at our experience center. We look forward to welcoming you there. And you'll really be very happy to see the various kind of solutions out there. Thank you once again. This is Kunal here. We look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.